Good day, everyone. Just give me a minute. Okay. Okay. Good day, everyone. Thank you for coming into this YouTube channel, Trade Live with Precise Trader. Today is 19th December, and this is a news trading session. And we are expecting some data to be out soon. Okay, so let's move on. Okay, do take note of the risk disclosure. Day trading in foreign exchange is risky. Past results are not indicative of future returns. The content on this webinar is mainly educational purpose. Use your information entirely at your own risk, and you must assess the risk of your trade with your broker before you put in your trade. So with that, I think we move on to our trade analysis. Okay, do take note that there is a, in fact, today morning I just give you an update. This morning US has cut the interest rate by 1/4%, and also at the same time they were a bit dovish and saying that that the future cuts might be a bit delay. Okay, and I think the Japanese BOJ also, I think they have maintained as forecast the interest rate is less than 1/4%, and that's one of the reason why we got the dollar yen shoot up. Then we have from the pound just now, I think about 1 hour ago, we had the forecast is 4.75, and also I think the actual came out to be 4.75, and the voting was against 3.6. Okay, so this is the voting rate. Okay, now the next thing we are expecting is the final US GDP quarter on quarter and unemployment claims, followed by final GDP price index and Philly Fed manufacturing index. Then at 2300 hours we have existing home sales. So the GDP market is previous was 2.8, forecast is 2.8, market is, I mean, expecting is 2.8. So any data that is better than that data, then the dollar strength should continue. But as of now, since yesterday, since the so-called that Fed minutes, they have already said that they are not going to reduce as expected. So that might give us a clue that the dollar strength may continue until end of the year, which means for another week. So we should be holding dollar. Okay, we should be holding dollar, and I think we still expect some more room for the price to move on lower. So now with that, I think okay, let me see what are the trades we have. Okay, we have a couple of trades open. So on that note, I think we may not be able to do a news trading, but if we see any opportunity, then of course we may want to put in. So we are holding dollar CAD. I think we are holding one lot at 143.70. Target is 145.80. Okay, later on we'll check the status of this, whether we need to do any adjustments. Then we are holding Kiwi dollar short at 56.60. I think this is making about 6 pips. And pound we are short at 2645, and we are expecting a target of 2505, and right now is 2609. Then we have one more dollar CAD long at 144.10. Okay, so that one also I think we are putting at 45.80, so maybe we need to adjust one of these levels, so we don't have to take both risk and both, to exit at the same price. Then we also have a dollar Swiss long at 89.80. Okay, gold, I think we did twice. I think we also got stopped out. Okay, and in fact I think we are very unlucky on this. We tried twice. Okay, we tried twice. We tried at 2605 and 2618, but of course we expected the price to come down which has happened after being stopped out. So that is one of the reason why we have to be a bit careful on this trade. So overall, I think so far we are good to go. Maybe we may want to put one or two more trades on the news, since we are doing a news trading. So we have, let me see how many trades we have. We have Kiwi dollar 1, pound 2, dollar CAD, we'll take it as one trade. So 3, we have 4 trades. Okay, total we have 4 trades. So maybe we may go for 1 or 2 more trades. Either we can go on, add on to this trade, that would be one way. Another way is we can go for a new batch of signals. Okay, now we see here pound, we have a limit sell at 2685. Okay, dollar yen is out. Okay, okay, I think let's see. Okay, let's see dollar CAD. I think dollar CAD we already had 2 trades, so we don't touch on that. Later we'll do the adjustments. Now let's say Kiwi dollar. Okay, Kiwi dollar, we are short at 56.60. So right now the market is so if the data comes out to be good, if the data comes out to be good, then we expect further dollar strength. Okay, this is what we expect. Let me see, pound and dollar Swiss. Okay, let's say we look at dollar Swiss. Okay, dollar Swiss, we have half lot buy at 89.80. So right now I think it's about 66. Give me a minute. I'm sorry. So here, if you look into the dollar Swiss, most likely, we may have seen the low. Okay, and we should be seeing the price hitting towards 90.65. So let's go into the system. Then we will see what is the status of dollar Swiss. Okay, the dollar Swiss, you see the weekly is up. Okay, weekly is up. So monthly is also up. Okay, which means to say that this strength is expected to last until end of the year. Okay, so we can go buy on this. At the same time, we have also expect the high to break. So since we are planning to go for a buy, let's see where is our stop loss or the risk. Okay, we should not see the price going below 89.15, which is a previous day low. So that means today's low has to be higher than that level. Okay, that has to be higher. So, and right now this is trading at 89.60. So what we are expecting on the dollar Swiss is we should not see the price going below 40 or 30. So to be precise, maybe 30. Let's see today's, yeah, maybe 40. We can take it as 40, 40. So since we have already into the trade, and we are losing so-called 15 pips right now, 15 to 16 pips as of now, I think we can go for this trade. Okay, so what we will do is, okay, we'll put it under news trading. Okay, what I want to do is I want to put it as 89.45. Okay, stop at 89.20 and 90.50 as the target, and this is one lot, and we will try to go go on to this trade. I think we have one more daily buy at 89.20. So I think that also let it be. Okay, it's okay. I think let it be. So now what we are expecting is we should be if the GDP come out to be good, then most likely we will hit the market. We will try to hit the market, and we will try to be in this trade. So this is one trade which we can look for. Then the next trade is the pound. Okay, pound. We expect that 12560 to break if the GDP is good. Okay, so what we can do is, I think we have already hold on, I want to see whether this is a half lot or full lot. Okay, we have a short at 12645, which is a half lot. So now what we will do is we would go for a sell on the pound. Okay, let me see where we can put a stop. Okay, the stop. Okay, we'll try to sell at 12640 or 35. 12640, and stop at 70, and TP we will try to put at 12530. Okay, that means about 110 pips, and this is again, and this is a one lot. So that means what we are trying to do is, okay, we are trying to add on to our uh, so-called the risk exposure, and we are just trying to go on the news trade. So take note that these two trades will be going for a news trading, and what we need is we have to once the moment the data comes out to be good. I mean, of course we are expecting it to be good. So if it comes out to be good or better than expected or as expected, then definitely this market will move in the direction what we are expecting. So we'll try to take only these two. Okay, maybe the next one I think we can also look into is dollar yen. Okay, dollar yen. This is the high has been 57.15, and it can go up to 57.60. Okay, 60 or 65. So that one we will try to enter at 56.50. Fifty-six fifty. Stop at 56 20, or I think we can put it as 20. Then 57.60 as our TP. Okay, so these are the three trades. Okay, that's it. I think we don't want to take in any more because we already have 3 or 4 trades in hand. and let me see, we can adjust the levels. Okay, the dollar cat one, we can take this as a profit at 144.65. And the stop, I think, is coming near the 50. We just reduce the stop by another 5 or 10 pips. So which means to say we are risking about 70 pips and our reward is 55 pips. Okay, I think it's okay. I mean, just somewhere near there. Okay, so this one we are planning to exit at 44.65. Then this one is 45.80. Then I think the rest all should be good to go. Okay, so we have 13 more minutes. Okay, we have 13 more minutes, and we would see how this this trade goes by. Okay, so any any other questions while we are waiting for? I think we have plenty of time. Okay, we have plenty of time. You want to discuss any markets or any currency? Oh, maybe we can look into gold. Okay, gold, I think, yeah, we forgot about gold. Okay, let me discuss on gold since we got stopped out. Okay, let me see. I think this was a big miss. Okay, we were right on the selling side, but our entry was too early, and we got stopped out, and we had to go for this. Okay, now let me see. Okay, gold, this is a downtrend on the 360, flat with the downside bias on the daily, and down on the weekly. Okay, so the levels we need to pay attention to is the price should not be going above 26 half. That was current day high. Then we should see the price, in fact the 360 low is 2603 half. So as long as the price is below this level, price is expected to move lower, and we should see the price trying to push towards 2584 or even lower. So now if we are playing this game, the same thing here, the 360 is showing a selling force, 720 is showing a selling force, daily we have 2 buying force and 1 strong selling force, and weekly is all pointing lower, which means to say that we expect the price to move lower. Okay, so since we are going for a sell, we need to get the benchmark level for the high. So I should be most likely trying to put my stop at 12617 or 18 or 2627. So these are the 2 levels of stop loss I need to pay attention to. So now market open, okay, open at 2606 and current high is 2606 half. Okay, which means to say that market open at the high and market is moving lower. So definitely this price is expected to break lower, and if we are planning to sell, then we should be planning to sell somewhere. Okay, let me give you an answer from the system. Um, 15 minute 15-minute high is 2606 or 2612. So these are the two levels of selling we need to uh, go. Okay, then let me confirm with the chart. Let me double confirm with the chart. So we are expecting lower to test this. Even if this low breaks, then we should see 2575. So that should be your level. Okay, what we can do, since we are going as a news trading, so we'll try to put an order to sell at 2610. Okay, we'll just try one last time. Okay, 2610, then stop at 2614. Excuse me, 2614. Then the TP will try to exit before 2585. Okay, so that should be our call for the gold. Okay, maybe since we are doing it's a news trading, then I think we might as well put under news. Okay. Two six one zero, okay, 10 half, and 14 half, and 2585. Okay, so this is also, I think we'll go for one lot. Okay, just give a shot, we'll see one last time. Okay, so these are the four trades, and this is going to be a news trading for those of you who are coming in first time to our session. Okay, what I would suggest, I mean, this is how we do things. Okay, of course we we would anticipate the market, which direction is heading, then eventually of course we put in at the different levels. But of course, you see, if we definitely we want to trade this, then we may want to go in a half lot and and try to be in the trade. But since we are already holding trades, so I think it's best we might just stick to the plans. Okay, we have 7 more minutes. 7 more minutes, and let me show you the data. Sorry. Okay, so now uh, we the final GDP quarter on quarter. Okay, market, the previous was 2.8, and market is forecasting it to be 2.8. So if anything higher number, that means 2.9 or 3, then we should expect the movement to happen as we expected in our direction. But on the other hand, if let's say the data came out to be weaker, that means 2.5, 2.3, anything weaker, then we might get a spike up on the dollar weakness. Then but I don't think it can hold it. It should be turning down, and eventually the dollar strength should come into play. But there's one more data, unemployment claims, that is market is expecting 229. So if that figure comes out to be low, then that is also goes to dollar strength. So that means anything below like 220, 215, then that is good for the dollar. That means unemployment, less unemployment, so which means to say that economy is doing well. Then the next one is the Philly Fed manufacturing index, if that one comes out to be anything higher, then that is also good, should be good for the dollar. So we have three data that is expected, and also we have one final GDP price index. So we have three to four data that is expected. So if all comes in strong, then definitely dollar strength is expected. If one comes in strong, one comes in weak, then it might get a mixed signals. Then it might not move in either direction. And if all comes out to be weak, then we may see the dollar weakness. Okay, so good luck to all of you, and we have 4 more minutes. So after that, of course, after the data is out, I will be giving you a post announcement. That means, okay, these are the datas and this is what we expect. Then after that, you can play the game as you wanted. Okay, so we have 3 more minutes. Okay, 3 more minutes to go. So let's wait. Okay, 2 more minutes. So we have 1 minute 40 seconds left. Okay. So good luck for those of you who are trading on the news. For those of you who are coming in first time, okay, what I would suggest is probably you may just want to watch it, or you may do it on a demo account. Then finally, I mean, if you feel that you have the confidence, then you can come into this world of news trading. Okay, 45 seconds. Okay, we have 10 more seconds for the data to be out. Okay, the data is good. Dollar strength is expected. I think gold will fall, and the dollar strength should happen. Okay, so the Philly Fed I think came out to be bad. Okay, Philly Fed came out to be negative, and unemployment and GDP came out to be good. So we have two good data and one bad data. But I think we should be able to see the dollar strength happening. So what we can do is can we buy dollar Swiss at the market? Okay, we'll just buy dollar Swiss at the market, change this to a market. Sorry, it's not. Should be trade at the market. Okay, I don't know what is the price. Okay, we are buying dollar Swiss at the market, and the dollar yen we leave it as it is. Then pound also I think we can go on market. Okay, pound. I think we'll go on market. Pound also. So this is post announcement. Okay, post announcement. So the only thing is now I just want to change my profit to 30, and dollar Swiss, my profit I want to put it as 90 half. So this is the only change, because when we trade the market, I think the system will automatically choose the certain levels. so 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 we have entered market on dollar Swiss and pound. Gold I think we don't want to chase because we already got stopped out twice. Then dollar yen also I think we don't want to do. So we only hold these two trades. Okay, we hold the two trades plus whatever our existing opening trades. So dollar CAD I think now is 71. Okay, dollar CAD. Okay, we don't see any big movement happening. Okay, we don't see any big movement happening. So we will wait just a few minutes to see, wait for the market to digest. I think dollar strength will happen eventually because the data is supportive for dollar strength together with the FOMC minutes which they have given yesterday. This is also supporting the dollar. So we should see the dollar strength coming in eventually. So try to hold all these trades. Okay, try to hold all these trades and try to see how far it can get. Then we'll try to maximize our profit. Okay, so think I think this I think you all can manage this trade. So we are holding 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, but actually this is 4 trades because this dollar CAD is 2. Okay, 4 plus 2, 6. I think this is more than enough. Okay, more than enough. I think we don't want to go for any more and take more risk. Okay, so I think with that I'll conclude today's session, and I'll see you again tomorrow. Okay, for those of you who came in late, okay, this is something, I mean, if you just want to play back the video and see. And also one more request is, I know now is school holidays and a lot of people are traveling, so that's one of the reason maybe, and more, we are not getting that many views. But I think next year January onwards, I think our viewership should go up. Yeah. Okay, thank you very much. I'll see you again tomorrow. Thank you.